Welcome back, guys. Today we want to learn about electrical conduits and how they work. An electrical conduit is a tube or pipe used to protect and route electrical wiring in buildings or structures. It serves several purposes. 1. Protection. Conduits protect electrical wires from physical damage, such as impact, moisture, or chemicals, which can lead to short circuits or electrical hazards. 2. Organization. They help organize and bundle wires, making it easier to manage and maintain electrical systems. 3. Safety. Conduits reduce the risk of electrical fires and accidents by containing and isolating wires from potential hazards. 4. Compliance. In many building codes and regulations, using conduits is mandatory for certain types of electrical installations to ensure safety standards are met. Electrical conduits can be made of various materials, including 1. Metal, common metals. Used for conduits include steel, aluminum, and stainless steel. Metal conduits provide excellent protection against physical damage and are suitable for outdoor and industrial applications. 2. PVC, polyvinyl chloride. PVC conduits are lightweight, cost-effective, and easy to install. They are commonly used for residential and commercial electrical wiring. 3. EMT, electrical metallic tubing. EMT conduits are thin-walled metal tubes made of steel, often coated with a layer of zinc for corrosion resistance. They are popular for interior electrical installations due to their ease of bending and installation. 4. Rigid metal conduit, RMC. RMC conduits are heavy-duty metal tubes made of galvanized steel or aluminum. They provide maximum protection and are suitable for industrial and outdoor applications. The choice of conduit material depends on factors such as the environment, type of wiring, installation requirements, and budget. For more content, please share, like, and subscribe.